Long ago, a husband and wife lived together in a small home. Like every family, they sometimes had disagreements. Sometimes the husband made mistakes, and sometimes the wife became upset with him. One day, the wife became very angry with her husband. Instead of speaking to him kindly, she began to hurt him with harsh words and unfair behavior. She continued to treat him badly, even though he had not done anything that deserved such treatment. The husband felt sad and hurt. He wondered why the person who was closest to him was treating him in such a painful way. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ taught his companions that people must be careful about how they treat their husbands and wives. Marriage is a responsibility, and both husband and wife have rights over each other. Mu'adh bin Jabal radiyallahu anhu reported that the Prophet ﷺ said that when a woman harms her husband in this world without a rightful reason, his wife from among the women of paradise says to her, "Do not harm him. He is only a passing guest with you and is about to leave you and come to us." This is a serious warning about hurting one's husband without a valid reason. The words passing guest remind us that this worldly life is temporary. A husband and wife may live together for many years, but eventually one of them will leave this world. Therefore, they should not waste their limited time together in hatred, insults, and unnecessary arguments. A good wife should try to speak kindly to her husband and respect his rights. A good husband should also treat his wife with kindness, mercy, and respect. Islam does not teach one spouse to mistreat the other. Both have responsibilities. If a husband does something wrong, the wife does not have to accept injustice. She can speak about the problem, seek help from trusted family members or scholars, and protect herself from harm. The hadith is warning against harming a husband without due right, not telling someone to silently accept abuse or injury. One evening, the wife thought deeply about her behavior. She remembered how quickly life passes. She realized that angry words can leave deep wounds in a person's heart. She went to her husband and said, "I am sorry for the way I treated you. I should have spoken to you with kindness." Her husband accepted her apology, and they decided to solve their problems through patience and honest conversation. From that day, whenever they became angry, they tried to remember that life is short. They learned to control their words, forgive each other, and ask Allah for help. The lesson of this hadith is not only for wives, it teaches everyone in a marriage to fear Allah in the way they treat one another. A husband should not oppress his wife. A wife should not oppress her husband. Both should remember that their spouse is an amanah, a trust from Allah. Life in this world is temporary. One day, every person will leave it. Therefore, we should use our time to show kindness and treat our families with mercy. The Prophet ﷺ gave us this powerful reminder so that we understand the importance of good character inside our homes. Lesson: never hurt your spouse without a rightful reason. Speak kindly, forgive when possible, and remember that this worldly life is temporary. Fear Allah in the way you treat the people closest to you.